Welcome to miniatures.de, your military miniatures magazine. In this issue, we will mix our own British uniform color using Humbrol MC1 British Scarlet as a guide. As you've seen, Humbrol Authentic Color MC1 British Scarlet matches the uniform color on the cover of Robin May's book, The British Army in North America, 1775 to 1783. Interestingly, we have in our paint collection a second tinlet of Humbrol MC1 British Scarlet, which is much lighter than the sample that matched the cover of the book. This lighter version is a much better match for the uniforms illustrated on the color plates inside the book, which is why we're going to use this lighter version of MC1 British Scarlet as our reference. We are going to mix British Scarlet because Humbrol Authentic colors are no longer available, and more importantly, enamel colors are the wrong medium for the Airfix soft plastic miniatures we want to paint. Instead, we're going to use artist acrylic paints, which are perfect for painting soft plastic miniatures. For mixing, single pigment colors are the best choice because they're more predictable. Mixing with mixed pigment colors, on the other hand, can be a real nightmare because there are so many variables involved. We begin by adding 3 parts of Primacryl Vermilion Red to the mixing container. Now add 1 part Vanadium Yellow, mix and check to see where this mixture is headed. It's not orange enough, so we'll add another part of yellow and mix again. We're getting close, but the mixture is not dark enough yet. To darken the color, we could add black or its complementary color on the color wheel, which in this case is blue. In this case, we're adding 1/10 of a part of indigo because indigo is a very dark blue, and we probably don't need much more than that. Okay, it looks like we got lucky and this is a pretty good match already. To be sure, we'll paint an entire paint chit with this color. It's a good thing we double checked because the mixture is slightly too dark. We added too much blue. We can fix this by adding yellow to lighten the mixture. Again, we double check this mixture by applying it to a blank paint jet and placing this next to our Humbrol MC1 British Scarlet. Okay, that's a good enough match. Now we'll paint the entire paint jet and write the ingredients on the back for future reference. This Airfix Fusilier officer has had his uniform coat painted in a mixture based on the darker Humbrol MC1 British Scarlet, which we showed earlier. So now we're going to use this lighter mixture to highlight the uniform. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at miniatures.de.